At Vauxhall University, technology is what we admire a lot. We want our students to be technologically enabled. We want them to always look forward in utilization of the technology, contribute for the technology, and thereby see how it can empower not only themselves and thereby their contributors as well. At the same time, to achieve this particular objective, student entering into our program specific to technologically related such as computer science and engineering or any other parts of engineering, we want them to work in the context of utilization of all possible aspects related towards what the market wants, what the market needs, and how they can futuristically grow. In this regard, School of Technology adopts a specific criteria called as major and minor, which has been widely and universally accepted. Now, the advantage of this particular mechanism enables the student to not only learn a particular thing, what they are desired, but also bring out the knowledge of other associated components that are required to holistically build the knowledge for the specific discipline, which means a student can choose a major in areas of computer science such as artificial intelligence, data sciences, IoT, blockchain, cyber security, and so on. Equally, they can choose a particular major and their corresponding components can also be chosen as minors. By this, a student will be able to acquire the required knowledge and increase the potential and options for the future opportunities such as higher education, job, entrepreneurship, and so on. Now, the benefit that any student will be able to get by specifically choosing Vauxhall is practicality in equivalence with the theory is what is our motto, which means an equal amount of practical perspective not only in the laboratories but also in the context of lectures and classrooms is also provided in terms of advanced teaching pedagogies such as project-based learning and discussion-based learning. The mechanism enables any student or every student to support equally irrespective of their challenges of learning. Now, here is where we can see what the role of the faculty at Vauxhall will be able to provide. Our expert hands in the context of multidisciplinary knowledge, our expert people with exposure from varied universities and organizations premiered across the globe are the one who will be refining the contents and thereby delivering it in a most innovative thinking manner.